Hello everyone, this is Crystal. Welcome to our German lessons for A1 level. In this video, we will learn the German alphabet with special characters. Our lesson is about the German alphabet, Deutsches Alphabet. To practice your speaking part in German, you can repeat the words after me. Sprechenteil, Sprechenteil. Auf Deutsch, auf Deutsch. Achtung, Achtung. The alphabet has 26 letters, 3 German umlauts, and 1 ligature. Das Alphabet hat 26 Buchstaben, 3 deutsche Umlaute und eine Ligatur. All letters of the German alphabet have the same article, das A, das B, etc. Beispiel, Beispiel. Das A ist der erste Buchstabe im Alphabet. A is the first letter in the alphabet. However, if you say the letter A or letter B, the article used is from the word letter. Beispiel: Der Buchstabe A ist der erste Buchstabe im Alphabet. See the difference. Now, let's learn how to pronounce each letter in the German alphabet. A, A. Apfel, Apfel, apple. B, B. Brot, Brot, bread. C, C. Computer, computer, computer. D, D. Drei, drei, 3. E, E. Eier, Eier, eggs. F, F. Fish, fish, fish. G, G. Glass, glass, glass. Ha, ha. House, house, house. E, E. Insect, insect, insect. Yacht, yacht. Jacke, Jacke, jacket. K, K. Kite, kite, dress. L, L. Lächeln, lächeln, smile. M, M. Messer, Messer, knives. N, N. Nacht, Nacht, night. O, Orange, orange, orange. P, P. Park, park, park. Ko, ko. Quittung, Quittung. Receipt. Air, air. Radio, radio, radio. S, S. Sofa, sofa, sofa. T, T. Tisch, Tisch. Table.
O, O, or, clock,
Fowl, fowl. Vogel, vogel. Bird. V, V. Wand, Wand. Wall. X, X. Xantippe, Xantippe. Sure. Y, Y.
yacht, yacht, yacht,
Set, set. Scene, scene. 10. There are 3 umlauts in the German alphabet. Make the sound E or E without gliding into the sound A. E, E. Äpfel, Äpfel. Apples. Make the sound E and purse your lips into an O shape. Earl, Earl, Earl. Make the sound E and purse your lips as if you're whistling. Ü, Ü. Überrascht, Überrascht. Surprised. Last is the German ligature. SZ, SZ. Fuß, Fuß. Foot. Here is the list of letters of the German alphabet. Let's pronounce again the letters in the German alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, E, Ö, Ü, SZ. To learn more about the German pronunciation with examples, kindly watch our next videos. Next lesson is about German pronunciation. Thank you for watching this video. To support us, kindly like and subscribe. Thank you! To learn more German lessons with A1 level for beginners, kindly watch our other videos in our A1 playlist. Tschüss!